Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of prepping, Dollar Tree style. We're about to uncover some seriously awesome finds that'll have you ready for anything without emptying your wallet. Trust me, you'd be surprised what you can find in those aisles. First up, we've got lighters. These little guys are lifesavers. In an emergency, fire can be your best friend, providing warmth, light, and a way to cook food. Dollar Tree usually has packs of lighters for, you guessed it, $1. Grab a couple of packs on each trip and stash them in your car, your bug-out bag, and anywhere else you might need a reliable source of flame. Now you might be thinking, why not just use matches? Matches are great too, but lighters are windproof, making them way more reliable in a pinch. Plus, you can use a lighter to melt the ends of other materials like paracord, or even create a makeshift candle by carefully melting the bottom of a crayon and sticking it to a stable surface. Next up, let's shed some light on the situation. Literally, candles are a must-have for any prepper. When the power goes out, you don't want to be left in the dark, right? Dollar Tree is a candle paradise. You can find all sorts of shapes, sizes, and scents, all for $1 a pop. Stock up on a variety of candles to keep your home illuminated during power outages. If you're ever facing a cold snap or a power outage during the winter, grouping a few candles together can actually help to raise the temperature in a small space. Just like with lighters, always practice candle safety. All right, let's talk first aid. Accidents happen, and it's always best to be prepared. Dollar Tree has a surprisingly decent selection of adhesive bandages in various sizes. From minor cuts and scrapes to blisters and burns, having a stash of bandages on hand can make all the difference. Don't forget to grab some antibiotic ointment, too. Dollar Tree often carries small tubes of this essential first aid item. Applying a dab of antibiotic ointment to a wound before covering it with a bandage can help prevent infection. And here's a pro tip. Use a permanent marker to write the expiration date on your bandages and ointment. In today's tech-driven world, batteries are basically a lifeline. From flashlights and radios to clocks and toys, we rely on batteries for a ton of everyday items. And guess what? Dollar Tree is a battery haven. You can find packs of AA, AAA, and even 9-volt batteries, all for a fraction of the price you'd pay at other stores. Stock up on a variety of battery sizes to keep all your devices powered up, especially during emergencies. When the power goes out, you'll be glad you have a fresh supply of batteries for flashlights, radios, and other essential electronics. Pro tip: store your batteries in a cool, dry place to extend their shelf life. Now let's talk about staying healthy. While Dollar Tree isn't a pharmacy, you can find some basic over-the-counter medications that are essential for any prepper's stash. Look for pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen to tackle headaches, fever, or minor aches and pains. You can also find allergy medication, cold and flu remedies, and even digestive aids like antacids. Remember, always check the expiration dates on any medications you purchase and follow the instructions on the packaging. All right, let's talk about the most essential element for survival: water. You can never have too much water on hand, especially during emergencies. While Dollar Tree might not have giant jugs of water, they usually have smaller bottles, which are perfect for creating a portable water supply. Grab a few cases on each trip and stash them in your car, your bug-out bag, and your emergency kit. Pro tip: you can also use water bottles to create a DIY water filter. Simply cut off the bottom of a bottle, layer it with cloth, charcoal, playground sand, paving sand, and gravel. Okay, this one might sound a little strange, but trust me on this. Vaseline is a prepper's best friend. This multi-purpose wonder product has a ton of uses beyond just moisturizing your skin. First and foremost, Vaseline is fantastic for fire starting. You can coat cotton balls, dryer lint, or even the pages of a book in Vaseline to create waterproof tinder that will burn for a surprisingly long time. You can also use Vaseline to waterproof matches, prevent rust on tools, lubricate squeaky hinges, and even soothe chapped lips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of household products. Grab a few jars of Vaseline on your next Dollar Tree run. Let's be real, zip ties are the duct tape of the fastener world. They're incredibly versatile and can be used for a million different things. Need to secure a tarp shelter? Zip ties. Need to hang a lantern? Zip ties. Need to make a makeshift handle for a broken bucket? Zip ties. Dollar Tree usually has packs of zip ties in various sizes, so stock up. You never know when you'll need to bundle, secure, or repair something in a pinch. Pro tip, you can even use zip ties to create a makeshift fishing spear by attaching them to a sturdy stick. Keeping your preps organized is crucial, and that's where Ziploc bags come in. These little guys are lifesavers when it comes to storing and protecting your gear. Use them to store important documents like maps, identification, and insurance papers, keeping them safe from water damage. You can also use them to organize your first aid kit, keeping everything neat and tidy. Dollar Tree usually has multi-packs of Ziploc bags in various sizes, so stock up. You can never have too many. Pro tip, use a permanent marker to label your bags with the contents and the date. Hygiene is super important, especially during emergencies. Dollar Tree has a decent selection of cleaning supplies that can help you stay clean and healthy. Grab some hand soap, dish soap, and all-purpose cleaner to keep your hands, dishes, and surfaces germ-free. You can also find sponges, scrub brushes, and even buckets to make cleaning a little bit easier. Don't forget about trash bags. Keeping your living space clean and free of garbage is essential for preventing the spread of germs and attracting pests. Pro tip, you can make your own hand sanitizer by mixing rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel. Baby wipes are one of those incredibly versatile products that everyone should have on hand. They're great for quick cleanups when you don't have access to running water. Use them to wipe your hands and face, clean up spills, or even freshen up your armpits after a long day. Dollar Tree usually has packs of baby wipes for, you guessed it, $1. Grab a few packs on each trip and stash them in your car, your bug-out bag, and your bathroom. Pro tip, you can even use baby wipes to clean your electronics. Just make sure to squeeze out any excess moisture before wiping down your screens. Emergencies can be stressful, so it's important to have a few things on hand to boost morale. And what better way to lift your spirits than with a little bit of candy? Dollar Tree is a candy lover's paradise. You can find all sorts of chocolate bars, gummies, hard candies, and more, all for $1 a bag. Stock up on your favorites and stash them in your emergency kit, your bug-out bag, or even your glove compartment. A little bit of sugar can go a long way in a stressful situation. Just remember to pace yourself and don't eat all your candy at once. When it comes to disinfecting and sanitizing, bleach is king. Dollar Tree usually has bottles of bleach for, you guessed it, $1. Bleach is incredibly effective at killing bacteria, viruses, and even mold and mildew. You can use it to disinfect surfaces, clean bathrooms, and even purify water in an emergency. Just remember that bleach is a powerful chemical and should always be used with caution. Never mix bleach with other cleaning products, as this can create dangerous fumes. Pro tip, you can make a bleach solution for disinfecting surfaces by mixing 1 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water. When the power goes out and you need a reliable source of light, glow sticks are here to save the day. Dollar Tree usually has multi-packs of glow sticks in various colors. Glow sticks are great because they're lightweight, waterproof, and don't require batteries. You can use them to mark trails, signal for help, or simply provide light in a dark space. Stash a few glow sticks in your car, your bug-out bag, and your emergency kit. Pro tip, you can extend the life of a glow stick by putting it in the freezer. You might be surprised to see socks on this list, but trust me on this one. Having a fresh pair of socks can make a world of difference in an emergency situation. Dollar Tree usually has a variety of socks to choose from, including athletic socks, tube socks, and even fuzzy socks for those chilly nights. Grab a few pairs in your size and stash them in your car, your bug-out bag, and your emergency kit. Pro tip, you can also use socks as makeshift dust masks or pot holders in a pinch. Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for overall health, even during emergencies. Dollar Tree has a surprising number of dental care products that can help you keep your pearly whites sparkling clean. You can find toothbrushes, toothpaste, floss, and even mouthwash, all for $1 each. Stock up on these essentials and keep your breath fresh and your teeth healthy. Pro tip, you can also use dental floss for other purposes, such as sewing up a ripped piece of clothing or creating a makeshift fishing line. Stay prepared, stay safe. So there you have it, guys. 16 must-have preps that you can find at Dollar Tree without breaking the bank. For more detailed information on these must-have preps and to discover all 16 items, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of awesome content coming your way. Stay prepared and stay safe. And as always, thanks for watching.